Hello everyone, welcome to another video announcement. As you know, we are right in the middle of Module 6 Part 2 and about to start in our last module section, Module 7 Part 1. Module 7 does have 3 sections to it, so Thanksgiving break is also in there, so it's not as close to the end of the semester as you may think, but it still is pretty close. In Module 6 Part 2, as you know, we've been working on our mock interviews using our cameras to kind of get some practice with online presentation skills. So hopefully you've been able to do that successfully. You can choose any of the possible interviews that people have posted in the class to respond to, but everyone of course does also need to post first their own interview questions that they would ask a potential employee. As well, in this module, I've allotted some time for you to put the finishing touches up on your ePortfolio. Coming up in Module 7 Part 1, that your ePortfolio will come due, including submitting your pages that you've created in your portfolio to Assignments and Digication. So I have instructions on how that works. Obviously, some of the assignments are not yet complete. For example, your capstone project, your final presentation, and perhaps others. So the way we will do this is you will still submit your ePortfolio, just leave a placeholder for those assignments, put in your justification language for those so everything's ready except the final version of that assignment. And then when that assignment comes due, I will again ask you to put that into your portfolio. We'll be able to see those changes in the portfolio assignment once you've submitted it. So there will be ways of handling that. Don't submit the pages in Digication for outcome 1 or 4 or any of the outcomes that you don't have your final assignment for yet. But as far as how it will look in Digication, just leave a placeholder for that. If you have questions on that, let me know. Also coming up in Module 7 Part 1, you'll be working on a journal where you look back at your at the MDS outcomes and how you felt at the beginning of your time in the program, and how confident you're feeling now that you're able to do those things like think critically, speak and write effectively, and so on. So I'll ask you just your own opinion on how far you've come in those. Those are the main things that we're doing in this next module. So I know the ePortfolio assignment may be taking up your time, but please don't forget about your final project or the final research paper. Make sure you're getting your service learning hours in so that those are complete. And coming up in the weeks after Thanksgiving, I'll be asking for all of those assignments to be turned in and your hours to be confirmed. So again, if you have any questions on all of those processes, let me know. But if I don't hear from you, I'll definitely see you online. Thanks.